Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you're using Discord on your Android mobile and tired of receiving unwanted direct messages from server members, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable direct messages from servers easily and quickly. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select the option labeled Content and Social. Now scroll until you find the section called Server Settings. You'll see an option labeled Direct Messages. Simply turn this off. Then click on Yes to confirm the change. That's it. You've successfully disabled direct messages on Discord for your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.